Yeah, nigga, one thing about Big Bullet, nigga, Big Bullet gonna forever be straight, no count, nigga. Got them motherfucker looking like baby Walmart around this bitch, nigga, no count, nigga. No count, nigga, just so y'all know, nigga, all this shit filled, nigga. All this shit, nigga. All this shit. You feel me, nigga? Ain't no flex packs, none of that, nigga. Everything, everything, nigga. Everything in here. You hear me? Everything new. Everything. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Feel me? Baby Walmart, nigga. The fuck? Stop playing, nigga. Stop playing, nigga. Come on, nigga. Leave this shit, nigga. All these motherfucking sausages and shit, nigga. All that right tuna. Motherfucking chili. Look in the back of that motherfucker, though. Oh, shit. Got the, oh, shit. God damn, Willie, boy, you be doing too much, little bro, for real, bro. You need to stop. Yeah, man, they what's going on, man. I told y'all I was gonna cook this shit up today. Right now, I'm coming up the onion, you know, got the meat, prepping the meat and shit. I'm gonna show y'all what really going on, though. Got the turkey. You see what I'm saying? Turkey. Got the big onion. Got the pepper. See, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna steam cook this shit. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna steam cook this shit today. You dig? Big Willie Kitchen, man. No count. Y'all niggas just stay tuned in and watch this shit. Cut. What I'm doing is I'm prepping my food. Okay, I got the meat. I got the peppers. Look at this shit. Zoom in. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix all that together. Onions, meat. You see what I'm saying? Good shit like that. Now what we gonna do is we're gonna take a dab right here. Look at this shit. Okay, that's some sugar. Hold on. Okay. We're gonna do it one more time now. Cool. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that shit together. See what I'm saying? To be continued. Like I said, nigga, we gonna steam this shit. You see what I'm saying? Zoom in on that shit. You see what I'm saying? Put on that shit. Feel. Yes, sir. Ooh, shit. Look at that shit. You see what I'm saying? Come on. Bring that motherfucker right there. Y'all see how I cook that shit? Nigga, they how I'm cooking that shit, nigga. Look at that shit. Zoom in on it. Big facts. This what Big Willie do. This how I cook. You see what I'm saying? This is what's going on. This is what's going on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see this shit? Look at this shit. Steamed. Steamed, nigga. This how the fuck I eat. Nigga, this how the fuck Big Willie eat, nigga. Steamed, nigga. You see this shit, nigga? Get them raps right now. See, they don't really see what the fuck going on. You see what I'm saying? Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna scoop that in that rock, motherfucker, like that. Now, you see what I'm saying? I'm gonna eat this shit off the bunk, nigga. Cause it's just that, nigga, it's just that official. Good. Y'all nigga don't try to call around me now. Y'all nigga know a nigga finna call home. You see what I'm saying? Oh, now y'all wanna be in a nigga DM and shit. No, y'all see a nigga have emotion. Nigga popping this shit. Nigga done ran that check up. Big bankroll, bills. Stop playing. Oh, now everybody love me though, huh? Man, come on with all that fake ass shit. I'm gonna tell y'all like this, y'all. I ain't got that for you. If you think you gonna be a part of my entourage and what I got going on, child, I ain't got nothing for you. I'm just keeping it real. 10 years ago when I caught my tag, y'all went worried about what the fuck I had going on. Oh, now y'all know I'm finna call home.